Hi, this is MD Machinery Center. Here we have a FS Curtis Rotary screw air compressor with dryer ant tank, 60 gallons. Brand, FS Curtis. Model number, SEG 7.5. Serial number, SEG 0701G14001. Electric motor, 7.5. HP/460 volts/60 Hz/3 pH. Air delivery, 28.3 CFM M3/min. Rated display, 125. Air end serial number, ES8130666. MFG date, 7/2014. Air tank, 200 psi max. Location, 3500 NW 119 SD Miami, Florida. The machine works well and has been inspected and tested. In addition to the videos on eBay, we send them directly to the customer at the time of testing the machine. If you have any questions, please contact MD Machinery Center by going to the Contact Seller option on the eBay page. Thank you. See you in the next video.